Hello, Parrot. Funny running into you here. I mean, bravo on finding it. But, you are kind of stuck in my vault now. What, are you trying to grab loot? Is that what this is? You really trying to grab loot right now? Right in front of me? Do you think that's smart, Parrot? How about you go for a swim?
Clown was right. Just like the castle, this vault was fully sealed in obsidian, and the fact that we had mining fatigue made it impossible to break out. No way. Core is free. If there was any way I was getting out of here alive, it had to be by using this item. Bye, Clown. See you later, buddy!